Yes, welcome back to the channel. Bitcoin just broke all-time high right over here. You can see that price has just traded above the all-time high right here, and it has closed above 60,000, which is a strong psychological number. Now, if you're new to trading, you may or may not know that numbers like 60,000 is a strong psychological level, and that's why previously price failed to close above, went above slightly, and then it started selling down. Now, in this video, what I want to do is I want to go through Bitcoin, give you an update about whether I think Bitcoin is going to trend higher, and if it's going to do so, where is the best price to buy at. Now, if you're new to this channel, I do a lot of videos like this market outlook trading videos where I give you the key levels and I break down why you should go long or short, and I want to show you my explanation and thought process as I approach the market. Now, without further ado, let's go into the analysis for Bitcoin. So right now, as I mentioned earlier, Bitcoin is at an all-time high. Should you be buying? I do think that Bitcoin is going to trend much higher because you can see that right now we are in an uptrend. No matter how you look at it on the weekly chart, on the monthly chart, because price is at an all-time high, it is bullish. So please do not go short. The only question is, where do you buy? Now, the first thing I want to bring to your attention is this level right here, which is 60,048. How do I get this level? Just switch over to the line chart. You can see that this is the high right here. Switch back to the candlestick chart. That is the level that we have as reference. Now, I want to show you what's so interesting about this level. Just now, I showed you the weekly chart. Right now, let me show you the daily chart. So right in the daily chart, this is the level that I talk about. You can see that price has just been trending higher, and right now there seems to be some form of retracement coming down. Now, if you were to look at this price section over here, you can see that price has been rallying, consolidating, rallying, consolidating, and rallying. Now, what is interesting about this zone right over here is that this is a rally-based rally. So what's a rally-based rally? A rally-based rally is a supply and demand price action pattern that happens rather frequently. And when we see patterns like this indicates that big institutional players are going into buy. So naturally, if big institutional players are buying here, if price retraces back into this zone, then this is going to be a very good level to buy. Now, I don't want to go into a full-on explanation of what a rally-based rally is in this video because I've done this multiple times on this channel. So please do a search on this channel and you'll find that video. Okay, if you haven't subscribed, do hit the subscribe button as well. So right now, price seems like it wants to do a retracement. I do think that price is a bit high right now. You're chasing the market if you buy here. So just be a bit more patient. Wait for price to retrace back into this demand zone. You can either look for an entry trigger through a candlestick pattern, could be a engulfing pattern, could be a hammer, or if you want to just set it and forget it, meaning that you just want to place an order here, what you can do is you can place a limit order right here, something like this. Just put your stop loss below the demand zone and then try to get in a trade right here. Now, if you do decide to enter this trade, my recommendation is to not use a take profit target, meaning don't set in a take profit because price is rallying higher. We have broken the all-time high and there is no resistance, okay, because it's all-time high. There's no historical resistance level to the left. So if you just switch over to the monthly chart, you can see that right now price is at the all-time high, so there's no historical resistance. So whenever you see trade setups like this, it is wiser for you to ride the trend. So you can do something like a trend line and just ride the trend, trail your stop loss as price goes higher. Okay, in fact, on this channel, I have many trading videos that teach you how to trail your stop loss. So do check those out as well if you need help with that, but I recommend that you do that. So just a quick recap about this video. I mentioned that Bitcoin is at all-time high right now. It's a bit high, so you need to be patient and wait for price to retrace towards the demand zone that I highlighted over here. Okay, you can either enter in using a limit order or you can enter when you see a bullish price action candlestick pattern happening at this level. Lastly, I recommend that you trail your stop loss and ride the trade and ride the trend for all it's worth because right now it's really trending and you really want to capture those big movements. Okay, so that's all I have for you in this video. If you got value, please drop me a thumbs up. Do subscribe if you have not already done so. If there's any other cryptocurrencies that you'd like me to analyze, please let me know in the comment section down below. I do have a free day trading guide which you can find in the description down below. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.